Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday, March 3rd. It is 2:31 p.m. I am done for the day. And full disclosure, my cat is extra clingy today. She is with me on my desk purring, so that's going to be the soundtrack of the day. All right? I'm sure you're gonna be able to hear her on the video. Okay, so what did I do today? First of all, let's look at the spy. First of all, okay, the spy is hurting today. All right, the spy is falling, and like I said a few days ago, looking at the daily, we are in a textbook downtrend. All right, decreasing highs, right, decreasing lows. We still don't have the new low in place, but I mean, yeah, we're at support, but we're also in a downtrend, so who knows what's gonna happen. I think we're going down before we go up. That's just my guess. Anybody's guess, really. Okay, so with the SPY, which let's look at it in a minute. As you can see, it was, briefly above VWAP, but I mean, yeah, no, today is a red day. It's a day for the bears. Um, with the SPY looking this way, I did not want to open any longs, right? So instead, what did I do? I traded, where are you? There we go. RKT. This exploded yesterday to the upside. Boom! Big, big move, right? And I mean, guys, I know many traders out there are looking for the next GME, and they thought that this was it. But GME was, one for the ages, one of a kind. Don't expect to, find moves like that every week, all right, or every month, or every year, all right? It's an anomaly. So I knew that this was going to fall down. I expected this to fall down, but it really had a hard time. It had a really hard time because there were dip buyers at every single level. All right. Let's look at it on the 15-minute. Actually, no, hold on. 1 second. 3-minute. Pre-market low. Also, let's go to yesterday. All right, let's see. We had that there, and maybe this here, and maybe this. Oopa, sorry about that. Here. Okay. So let's see. I went in here. Um, my system told me it was. Okay, so I went in again. When there was still a few, like almost a minute, 45 seconds before this candle opened, and it went against me before the close. It went against me, and mind you, it's not my best entry because the volume is decreasing. So I thought we were going to go back down from here. We didn't, and we got a retracement farther up than I thought was going to happen. Why didn't I let go? Well, first of all, we never lost VWAP. Second of all, like I said, this is people are expecting or were expecting this to be the next GME. So a lot of dip buyers, but that also meant that a lot of people were going to be cutting their losses soon, right? Like it was supposedly, right? Um, so I did know that, yeah, this was supposed to, I was expecting this to have selling pressure today, and it did. Okay, we had support here coming from yesterday. We broke it, we retested it, broke it, retested it again, and now we are at the final support before yesterday's low. Now this support was pretty strong, and so I let go because I saw that the momentum was dying, and surely enough it is now kind of crawling back up. Like I said, there's dip buyers at every level, and even if we went through some levels pretty easily, level 2, the market depth was, telling me that there are some big buyers here, and I don't know if they're going to stay here or not. I don't want to have to deal with them. So I took my gain. My gain today was 16.72%. Again, I went in at 10:11 in the morning. I got out 4 hours later. Okay, sure. Fair enough. Now I had next week's calls, which would allow for a swing trade because I don't think they were the $33 calls. Sorry, puts. I had the $33 puts for next week. I don't think this is going to stay up here. I think it's going to go lower. So overnight, right? So I think this would have been a good swing trade, but that's not, swing trades are not what I'm here to collect. I'm here to be a day trader, maybe even a scalper, but this, yeah, I like to be in and out a lot faster than I did on this trade, but this trade, it was just a matter of, catching it in a retracement and letting it just go down. And it did, right? See here, it's starting to curl back down. Maybe we go down to this level, and if we test it, we are going to here, to like the 24s, right? If we break this level, I think we're going to the 24s. But like I said, I am not much of a swing trader these days. I'm a lot more of a scalper and or day trader, and that was my trade for the day, 16.72%, keeping my capital safe. And also, yes, the SPY is in a downtrend, but we have seen it pop up out of nowhere on no notice, right? These days, like, look at this. You take any of these comeback days and they are amazing, right? And there was zero warning, right? So yes, plays to the long side are dangerous now because the SPY is in a downtrend, but also it tends to pop up, right? Lots of dip buyers tends to pop up, so I don't want to get overly comfortable with plays to the downside either, right? So my piece of advice would be to take your gains when they are there and run, right? And if you can sleep 100% cash, then all the more power to you, That's what I like. It's a very it's a very healthy feeling for the mind. All right. So yeah, what do I expect to see tomorrow? I don't know, guys. We are at support. Every time the SPY has tested this, it has gone back up, right? But we're also at, in the middle of a downtrend. So I don't know. I'm just going to wait until tomorrow, see what the market looks like, see what the market wants to give me, and just trade it. That's it. That's all we can do. And remember, it's not about hitting home runs on every trade. It is about preserving your capital every day, right? And sometimes the best thing you can do is not trade. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, just go ahead and do that. And yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow. Cheers, bye.